Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How you doing out there? Hope everybody's healthy and happy. I'm back, guys, on behalf of Easy One Up Vertex lead system. But before we talk about that, I just want to say you're obviously here because you're looking for a way to make some money from home, and you ran across my channel, or you are a current subscriber of mine. Okay, so if you found me online, my channel is an affiliate marketing channel. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer, and I show you different opportunities, home-based business opportunities, in which you can become an affiliate marketer, guys, and you can promote other companies' products. You don't have to create the products, they're already created. All you need to do is promote your link, refer others to the company's presentation that does all the selling and telling for you, and when someone signs up or purchases a product, you receive a commission. Okay, so that's basically what this channel is about. All right, and I only deal with solid companies that's been proven. I've made money with these companies, and I'm comfortable with sharing them with you. Okay, so this is a program I've been in for a while. Easy One Up. It's digital education. I'm going to flip over to the Easy One Up website. It's digital education in which they show you how to market online. Even if you have a brick and mortar business, you want to learn how to market online, because that's basically where it's at, guys. Millions of people online every day, so this is a way for you to learn on demand via any device, as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so these products can be accessed from any Wi-Fi device, any device. Okay, so learn how to leverage the power of the internet. Okay, that's what they show you how to do. This video presentation will do all the selling and telling for you. All you need to do is get people in front of this presentation. Okay, when we show you how to do that in the training, then I also have some additional resources. I show you how to do that as well, in addition to what you're already going to receive. There are several levels with this. The $25 level education, this is education. Okay, you're not just throwing money into a product, a system. You are receiving actual education. Okay, and here's the levels of education. 25, the $100 level, there's the education. All this can be accessed, as I said, it's digital, so you can access it from your smartphone, your tablet, your computer, what have you. Okay, there's a $250 level, there's a $500 level, and a $1,000 level, and they added a $2,000 level, for events and whatnot. I'm at the $1,000 level. Okay, so you decide which level suits you best. Personally, like I said, I'm at the $1,000 level, so I would say come in as high as you can. Your first sale you keep, guys, so you get your money back on your first sale. Okay, so that's the good thing about it. First sale you keep, and then the second sale you pass up, and you're paid directly. This is a member-to-member program, meaning there's no middleman. The company's not going to cut you a check. You don't have to wait on a check or any of that. As soon as someone decides which one of these education courses that they want, they're going to click the join button. Okay, and it's going to take them to your specifications on how you want to receive your payment, and it's going to come directly to you. It's about to storm here, so I'm not going to be on here long. Okay, so you receive payment directly from the person that's purchasing the product. Okay, these are actual products. Okay, education. All right, so that's how that works, member to member. I love this type of platform. Okay, these digital products. So now what I'm using, this program does come with 2 capture pages. Okay, so if you want to just pick one of the levels, get started, it has an autoresponder built in, and it has 2 capture pages. So that's automatically included in whichever one of these levels you join. Okay, but personally, I invested one time $97. Okay, and I'm a reseller. Okay, I invested $97, And I purchased this system called the Vertex Lead System. This happens to be one of the capture pages in the Vertex Lead System. I'm going to show you here the presentation. But this system's one time $97. If you become a reseller, okay, you're able to receive $50 every time someone purchases the system. They spend $97. You basically splitting it with the company, but they give you $50 of that. Okay, so not only are you going to receive your commission over here for your education, but if someone decides they want to invest in the Vertex Lead System as well to receive this video, okay, this particular video focuses on the $500 level and the $1,000 level. Okay, of course there's other levels, but it focuses on the $500 and the $1,000 level, and it's personalized, it's branded to you. As you can see, your picture would be here, your information would be here on this particular page. Okay, and then it also allows them to click the button and it will go straight over to Easy One Up. Okay, and they can see the other levels, but it focuses on those two levels, $500 and $1,000 level. So anyway, I invested in this particular program, I think over 20 something capture pages with it. Let's see. Okay, 24. Okay, and they're adding more. I received an email, a couple weeks ago, saying that they're going to actually be revamping this system. They're going to be updating it and adding some more great things to it. So it's going to be changing as well. So I'm excited about that. I love systems, guys. I've learned that systems work and people fail. That is a true statement. I'm big on systems, doing all the selling and telling for me. Oh, there was a break in the internet. So yeah, I love systems. Systems work. Okay. Once you set up a system, a funnel, you do it one time, it's going to do all the selling and telling for you. The emails are going to follow up for you on your behalf, as well as you can send your personal emails out as well. But this gets the ball rolling. You get your leads in. That's the name of the game, guys. Sometimes you're not going to get a sale just because you had 50 or 60 leads come in. But the goal is to get the leads, get them in front of your offer often. Get them in front of your offer often as possible. That's why the follow-up email series would do that for you. Okay, so anyway, Vertex Lead System does that for me. I get them over to one of these pages. Once they get in, they go to this video right here. They press play, and it does all the selling and telling for me. And then they can join. It will actually lead them back over to join over here on the Easy One Up page. Okay, and then they'll just click right here, join. But that's the name of the game, guys. Getting a system set up. Okay, that's the name of the game. Getting your system set up, getting your funnel set up, getting people in front of your offer often. Okay, collecting leads, letting your email series follow up with them, and you get the signups. I can't tell you how many times people have told me, "Oh, I'm on your email list. Oh, I've been following you." Okay, because they're getting my emails. Okay, and this is where you're going to go. Once you hit join, it shows you that's me. So you know you're on the right page. Fill out this information and go ahead. I'm going to put the link below for Vertex Lead System. As I said, this is one of the pages. Okay, you can send traffic here, guys. Someone puts their information in and they watch the presentation. Okay, and it's a great system. Like I said, the higher you come in, the bigger the commissions will be. I'm at the 1,000 level, which means from 1,000 all the way down, I can receive commissions from 25, the 100, the 250, 500, and the $1,000 level. Okay, so the higher you come in, it's going to be better for you. Okay, of course you can always upgrade later, but if you're looking to really see a difference in your income, of course the higher you come in, the bigger the checks are going to be. Okay, so I'm going to put the link below for this one. Vertex Lead with Easy One Up makes it powerful. Okay, you had a marketing system, and then you have your digital education to teach you how to market online. Okay, those two together. Now, if you don't want to spend the 97 right now, you can just come in over here. Just join Easy One Up. It has 2 capture pages already with it. So you'll get those, you'll get those capture pages included. Doesn't matter which level you come in at, okay? But if you want Vertex, it's 97 one time. Okay, guys? All right, that's all I've got for you today, guys. I'm going to put my links below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click the notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload new videos. All right? Thanks for checking it out. I'll see you guys on the inside, and you guys have a blessed day.